back.
Good.
Jay, pull back. Yep.
Good job, Meerkat.
You're good. I'm leading. It's okay.
This is a DDFM crew member. I think on this one we're gonna actually pause on some of these videos and we're gonna go ahead and do some lessons on this. So if you are brand new to this, we're gonna jump right into the lesson part of this. Let's make it, there we go. We're gonna jump into the lesson part because we want to make sure that we all understand what we're doing. So far I've seen 2 videos of people not being smart riders, so I got my pen out. We're going to be talking about some of these things. Remember, the main point of this is to be a smart rider. Seek out, recognize, maintain, acquire, rescue, and teach others. Use the principles. You will become a better person, not only just a better rider. One of the other main things here is planning our ride. We need a position for safety, locate, adapt, and navigate. So position, put yourself in a position first that is safe. Locate those hazards. Adapt by just moving over here and there, and navigate any threats when you have to go into a red stage. Red stages are pretty bad. Red stages are pretty bad, so if you don't know what it is, we got white, you're zoned out, not paying attention. Yellow, you're zoned in, definitely paying attention, enjoying your ride. Orange stage, you feel something in your gut saying there's possibly a threat. It's usually intersections and corners or in blind spots. Red stage, you got to do something, swerve, emergency brake. Brown stage, you just shit your pants. So we're going to go ahead and start here and talk about this. All right, let's see what happens here.
The calmness and the composure of
Prince Meerkat, you're on here again, man.
in this situation.
Easy.
Going a little wide, buddy.
Easy, Jay.
Ooh, going a little too fast.
Jay, pull back.
Good.
Jay, pull back. Yep.
Good job, Meerkat.
You're good. I'm leading. It's okay.
This is a DDFM crew member. This is why I said, hey, we've seen him again. Oh, no, we're going to go back. We got to show a mentor here. We have to show a mentor here. So Prince Meerkat right here has been in the chat, has been in the classroom multiple times. He's been watching this class. I'm hoping he's becoming a part of the academy that we have set up pretty soon. But the thing is, he's right now behind a newer rider. It looks like a newer rider. We want to get her knee down. Probably learned it on YouTube.
Easy.
He starts to go a little bit wide. They're talking to each other through their Cardos or Cenas, whatever it is. We use Cardos here. We use the Pack Talk Bolts. But they're using a Bluetooth system to communicate with each other. So he's witnessing what his friend is doing. Going a little bit too wide, obviously going a little too fast in the corner. And he's saying easy, easy, easy. So what we should be doing on that easy, easy, easy is roll out the throttle. Roll out the throttle and get back into our lane. Now, if you notice right here, we don't see anything. We can't see anything. This is a blind corner. We cannot see it. Our line of sight is diminished. It is removed, whatever you want to call it. We have no idea if a car is on the other side. So imagine the fear that we're having watching our buddies going a little too wide. That's scary. Imagine a car being right there, right around that corner. So he's saying easy, easy.
Jay, easy, Jay.
So if you notice real quick that Jay, I think it's Jay or Jake, I don't know, we'll figure it out. When he gets to this point, he starts to panic and looks towards the outside. So Prince Meerkat talking to him keeps him zoned in, which is very, very important. Zoning in is very, very important. If you're zoned out, you're not paying attention. It looks like he starts to target fixate. I'm going to go ahead and slow it down a little bit. He target fixates the guardrail. So watch the lean angle. I'm going to go back a little bit so you can see the lean angle. The lean angle is consistent, right? Look at the lean angle is consistent. Consistent. Watch him straighten it up.
Easy.
That's him straightening it up.
Easy,
See him straighten it up?
Jay.
And then he goes back into it. Okay, he was going to go off that freaking mountain if it wasn't for Prince Meerkat. Watch it one more time.
Amazingly
Angle is the same. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Straighten up, straighten it up, straighten up. Oh, okay, no, I gotta go back into it and commit to it. That right there, Prince Meerkat, you just saved your buddy. You just saved your buddy. Congratulations, man. Everyone give him a round of applause. Very good.
Pull back. Jay, pull back.
And then he's telling him to, Prince Meerkat's in the chat, by the way, right now. He's telling him right now to pull back because we understand the adrenaline. Now we're going. He's going to say, hey, go ahead and pull back. I'll go ahead and lead it. Follow me. And I'll maintain the pace. And this is what we're going to do.
Back. Jay, pull back. Yep.
Jay, it's Jay.
Yep. You're good.
Prince Meerkat, go ahead and grab yourself a whole bin of donuts. Woo-wee. Actually, let's go to the crew lounge real quick. Prince Meerkat. Ooh, baby, 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 baby. Prince Meerkat, you can go ahead and go upstairs. I'm going to give you 10 quarters. Each game costs 5 quarters. But the thing is, you're going to get some free arcade time. You're going to go ahead and grab yourself a chocolate milk right here because you need to go ahead and grow some bones. Grab some for Jake because he's going to need it. He's going to need some strong bones. But go ahead and have a great time, baby. Woo-wee. Have a great time. You can stay out in here. You can watch the videos. You can watch the class later because you already know it. All right, here we go. Shippu. Here we go. Going through a corner. Going a little low. We're going to low side maybe. There it is. There's the low side. Low siding is no buenos. We don't want a low side. Low side is a terrible situation where you're going to start ripping off skin. It looks like he's got full gear though, so it seems to be doing fine there. Not going to have that abrasion. We're not going to have those issues when it comes to that. But we're pushing the bike super far down. Okay, so on corners, it's going to be an orange stage situation where we're prepped and ready. We need to understand that this is a dangerous spot for everybody, so what we need to do is slow it down before the turn. It's easier to remove speed before the turn than it is to remove speed in the turn. So do it beforehand. Don't lean the bike super far like this. The reason why people like to lean the bike super far like this is because that's how they're able to make these turns at the speeds they go in at. We can't be doing that. Let's just go ahead and lower the speed in the first place. What happens here, you see the handlebars automatically shift. So the handlebars, whoop, immediately dumped. That is the moment the tires lost traction. And when the tires lose traction, it's like being on ice and you just start losing control. And then he just falls down and dumps the bike. Now, the problem with motorcycling, yeah, it's like, what is going on? The problem with motorcycling is that our leg is on that underside. So we're going to hit our legs pretty hard. I don't know how he got up so quickly, but he did. That's what she said. And he's just going to sit there pretty pissed off. Okay? Make sure you wear protection, just like that rider did. That's why he's able to stand up and just kind of walk away from it. So Fast Rider 1, here we go. It's a little... Oh, no. Oh, thankfully, thank you, MotoStars. Thank you for doing that, MotoStars. I appreciate that. That's a medium-sized animal, okay? So, oh, the dog just ran off. Very good. So we crashed. We're wearing regular jeans. Hopefully we're okay. The dog is the dog. I get it. It wasn't our situation. But here's the thing. When it comes to small animals, we watched earlier somebody trying to avoid a snake, and they almost crashed. Medium-sized animals, you really got to watch out for, like dogs, coyotes, anything like that. You have to get out of that way. You have to swerve. You have to do something. As a red stage maneuver, you got to do something. Now, if you notice there's no traffic coming this way, so if you really needed to, very dangerous, still wouldn't recommend it. If you can, get yourself out of there. Your best goal is to try to avoid it because you're going to hit it and it's going to cause a big bump into your bike, which is what happened here. Knocked him super far. Oh, it was a deer. Was that a deer and a dog? Wait, 1 second. There's a deer? Don't tell me there's like a Dalmatian looking deer. So the dog is chasing the deer. Poor dog. Chasing the deer. Probably saved your life from hitting the deer. What is going on? We're just gonna skip this, but we're gonna watch it in full speed. I can't even, I don't even know. I don't know what's going on. All I know is he crashed. So being a smart rider, make sure we're wearing full gear. Deer's gonna jump over his head, hit him in the face. We're all confused. We're all confused. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.